Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and I am back with a new resource as you can see in the screen. So this is a design resource and it's a GitHub repo. So the repo name is Brad Traversy slash design resources for developers. So it's a list of developer design resources that will be helping out if you are a developer, right? So we'll try to explore the stuff, right? How much it will help you. Okay, so these are some contributing guide and all those things you can read if you want to contribute to this repository. So we'll try to cover the resources they have listed here. Okay. So this is a table of contents and you will get a lot of things. Okay, UI graphics, fonts, colors, icons, CSS animation, CSS methodologies, CSS frameworks, HTML, CSS templates, React UI libraries, Vue UI libraries, Angular UI libraries, and a lot of stuff. So, I mean, I have seen a lot of stuff, and it will really help you a lot. And we'll not try to like explore each and everything because then the video will be very much long and it will be not boring for you, right? For that reason, we'll try to cover some topics and give you an overview what this repository is all about and how much it will help you at the end. So let's try to explore. So moving down, these are some lists on UI graphics, and they have some website listed on the top of UI graphics. So 404 illustration, undraw.co, and UI space, and all those things. And clicking on this, they will open their website, right? Opendoodle.com. So we'll not to explore the website it because it's your job, right, to explore the stuff and get use of those resources. So we'll just try to give an overview. Okay, what the topics they have listed. So these are some topics: blush, hero patterns, isoflat, Patanico, dimensions, exemplar, UI bundle, open by design, and all those things that comes under UI graphics. Similarly, they have listed some resources for fonts. So fonts is a very big problem if you are developing any project. So you will get some really great fonts from these resources. So Google Fonts, as everyone knows, but there are also other alternatives too. Font Fabric, 1001 free fonts, Leo Sans, Font Flipper, Open Foundry, FF fonts, Dev fonts, Font Bold, Urban fonts. So these are some resources on the topic font, so you can get your own font from this website, right? And make use in your project, right? Similarly, there are other resources for colors. So UI colors, U-tone, color mind, material palette, Google material color tool, Adobe color, colors wall, color box, UI gradients, CSS gradient, all those things, right? A lot of resources they have listed, and it's hard to cover each and everything, as you can see. So just explore these things, make use of these resources, and I hope your problem will be solved. You will get some really great colors from these resources for your own project. Okay, color hex, veranda color, colors, lol, all those things, right? So just explore these websites. Similarly, for icons, they have listed some resources, circum icons, feather icons, table icons, XY icons, flat icon, icon set, a lot of resources. Okay, icon, moon, and just clicking on this, they will open their own website. Okay, so not a big issue. Iconmoon.io, right? It's opening, but will not open. Just to let you see what will happen clicking on this. So you can get these resources and try these things and get some really good icons, iconate, us icons, ionicons, and all those things. Okay, for logos, similarly they have listed some resources: browser logos, svg pond, logo maker, logo vine, all those things. Fabric for fabricons, fabricon.io, fabricomatic, fonticon, For icon fonts, they have listed a bunch of resources like Stroke 7, Devicon, icon font. Okay. Similarly, these are some topics. Stock photos, you can find resources for stock photos, for stock videos. So for stock photos and videos, they have listed some really great resources, and you can just try these things. Pixabay, I guess Pixabay everyone knows, but Unsplash everyone knows. So some are common, everyone knows, but other alternatives are also they have listed. Placeholder, realistic shots, negative space, nappy, pixel, free images, and all those things. For stock videos, they have Pixabay. Pixabay is famous. Then Pexels, Coverage, VDZ, Mixkit, Life of video, and all those things. Okay, just explore this stuff. For stock music and sound videos, and if you are using some kind of music and sound effects in your video, or I mean in your project, any kind of project, right? So you can get this resources from here: YouTube Studio, Audio Library, Mixing, Ben Sound, Free Stock Video Music, Paint, Pixabay. So you can try these things, right? Similarly, for vectors and clipart, you can get these things. Free pick if it famous. Um, free builders, I mean free vectors, sorry. Vectors for free, clipart, clicker, SVG waves, and all those things, right? Uh, I'm just getting you experience what these things are all about, and it's your job to click these things, get use of these things, and explore a bit what will be beneficial for you, right? Vectors and clip for vectors and clippers, they have listed this number of tools. I mean resources. Okay, these are mainly websites. Okay, and some are tools also. I don't know. So moving down, they have listed some resources for product and image mockups. So if you are looking for product and image mockups, you can visit these websites: Mock City, Short Snap, Mockup Phone, Clean Mock, Mock.video, Mockup Bro, and all those things. And now HTML CSS template. So it's it's a very important stuff. Okay, if you're a developer, you already know how much it's needed, and for that reason, they have listed a bunch of resources. HTML5 up, HTML5 in X, CSS3, Zero Theme, Start Bootstrap, HubShot, everyone knows. Free CSS, Bootstrap test, Bootstrap made, W3 layouts. Um, some are common, some are very new. All free download, W3 CSS templates, mashup templates, and all those things. Okay, you just try this thing. For similarly for CSS frameworks, they have listed some good CSS frameworks. Tailwind CSS is the, I mean, everyone uses this time. So if you are a developer, you will be familiar with Tailwind CSS. Even if you don't, I mean, even if you never use that, you will hurt, right? So there is something like Tailwind CSS. Similarly, Bootstrap, okay. Then Material Design Light, Skeleton, Semantic UI. I guess Semantic UI is also everyone knows. Then formatting UI, pure CSS, UI key, and all those things, right? Wing, Picnic CSS, Spectre CSS. So a lot of CSS frameworks. W3 CSS also a bit famous. So you can try these things. Oh, a lot of number of uh, CSS frameworks they have listed, so you can try these things. Okay, so we'll not, we'll not try to explore everything. Okay, I mean they have listed a lot of list of resources, so it's your job, okay, to explore these things. My job is just to give you an introduction to the thing and explore a bit with you. So for CSS methodologies, you can visit this website: Atomic CSS, Mac SS, OCSS, and also just to give you an overview, like like if you don't know what this website will do, they have given some description, okay, short description about that website, that you will get some idea what you will get the outcome from this website, right? So this will help you to choose from the other resources, right, what will be suitable for your project, right? So you can do the same. right? So CSS methodology says for CSS animations, these are the some resources: ZDoc, Animate.js, Animate.css, Sequence.js, keyframes, and Anim XYZ, Will, NXX, Animate, OP, hamburgers, and all those things. Okay, and similarly, you can read about this website in the description and choose a best for you, right? Then JavaScript animation libraries. Similarly, they have listed some animation libraries for in JavaScript. So Velocity.js, Relax.js, 3JS, I guess 3JS is a widely famous library and everyone uses. So if you don't never use that, then you can try these things. Then Wow.js, Tilt.js, Mo.js, Barba.js, and all those things. So a lot of resources. You can try these things. Reading the description. Okay. Then JavaScript chart libraries. Similarly, they have listed some JavaScript chart libraries. So data-driven documents, Nevo, G2 plot, chart.js. Okay, you can try these things. Then UI components and kits. Similarly, they have listed some resources for UI components and kits like themes, Burk, material design for Bootstrap, loading.io, CSS layout, CSS grid generator, fast, cutty, lotifiles. Lotifiles is I think it's familiar. I don't know. You can try these things. Mm, Tailwind templates, stitches, headless UI, style components, Figma Bootstrap 5 UI kit, and all those things. So it will be helping you out in some way. If you are a developer, you know which is the important thing, and you can try these things. Okay. Then React UI UIDs. I mean, React is a bit famous. Everyone now uses. If you are a front-end developer, you will really using this. But adding that, they have some UI libraries which you can use. So the Material UI, Chakra UI, these are some famous, right? Then React Admin, Sharks React, Elastic UI, React Desktop Theme UI, Evergreen Rebase. So you can try these things if you haven't, right? And design, Orbit, Base Web, Revis, Framer Motion, a lot of resources. Okay, Real Kit, Genty, CHOC, Chalk UI elements. So these are some UI libraries for React. And if you are a Vue developer, then similarly they have listed some Vue UI libraries. Okay, like Vuetify, Quasar, Element, then Vue SX, Incline, Shards UI, Prime UI, Vue UI, and all those things. Okay, so I haven't tested Vue on my own though, so I don't know. But if you're a Vue developer, you can try these things, UI libraries if you're using Vue. So then Angular UI libraries, so you can try this. Similarly, UI libraries for Angular, if you're Angular developer, Material Angular, Nebular, ng Latin, ng Semantic, then pagination for data tables, Clarity, Taiga UI, nginx admin, all those things. And then SVLT. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce this, but yeah, if you using this thing and they have listed some UI libraries for that, so you can just read out and choose these things. Then if you React native UI libraries, I mean React native developer, they can you can try these UI libraries, right? Magnet UI, React Native Paper, Moti, Tamagui, Snack UI, Tailwind RN, and all these things, right? And then design system and style guys. So for under design system and style guys, they have listed some resources like Material Design, Alta UI, Bold, Pulse, uh, Atlas Kit, Polaris, Mozilla Protocol, Rizzo, Atomize, Spectrum, Butterfly. Okay, so you can try this thing similarly. Okay, I'm just reading out. Okay, it's your job to explore these things, right? Then online design tools, some resources under online design tools and Figma, Canva. I guess Figma, Canva, everyone knows, but other resources are also there. like penport, vector, tailor, pixeler, photor, wireframe CC, and you can similarly read the description what this tool does. Okay, so no need to worry. Animoto, video maker, infogram, Visme, whimsical, whiteboard, octopus, photopea, personas, exali, draw, get avatars, big heads, webflow, trace, UI bakery, dive, framer. So you can try these things. Okay, a lot of resources they have listed. Rest you can try these things and glass UI, Reso, Slicker, and all those things. Right. Then some design, downloadable design software, and for that you can try these resources like GIMP, Be Funky, Blender. Blender, I guess everyone knows. Okay, Adobe XD also everyone knows. InVision also everyone knows. Okay, so some are common, but other alternatives are also there. There. Okay, Origami Studio, Google Web Designer, Color Picker, Krita, and all those things. Then design inspiration. For design inspiration, um, they have listed some resources like CSS, Zen Garden, Dribble. Dribble is famous. Behance is famous. Some are common. Some are new. Okay, so design notes, HTTP stir, code ropes, SAS pages.xyz, screen lane, webframe, free frontend, collect UI, graphic burger, site inspire, nav, multi search, deviant art, UI garage, CSS button, CSS box shadow. So you can try these things. Okay. So, and then for image compression, if you have a big image and you want to compress that, um, or into other extension like PNG to a JPG or something like that, you can try these tools. TinyPG, Optimizilla. I love MNG. I love MNG. IMG is famous. In fact, I personally use this, but other resources are also there. SVG Minify, JPG Optimizer, Resizing app, SVG OMG. So you can try this thing similarly. Okay, and whatever suits you, you can try it. Then Chrome extensions under design, WAP font, what font, my bad, what font, word runs, uh, daily dev. I guess daily dev is a lot of famous right now. Okay, and if you are a developer, I must say use this Chrome extension. It will just like change your engine journey. Okay, JSON Lite, JSON View, web developer. If you're a web developer, then you will be using this Chrome extension. Then others like extension like responsive viewer, browser stack, code, ColorZilla. ColorZilla is also famous. If you are a front-end developer, you will definitely use this thing. Perfect Pixel, Pesticide, React developer tool. Again, if you are a React developer, you will be using this Chrome extension. Then Color Pick eyedropper is also famous if you're a front-end developer. Then Fake Filler, Page Ruler, CSS Viewer. You can use these things, right? US checks and all those extensions. And is for Chrome extension. Okay. Similarly, if you're a Firefox user, then you can for Firefox you can use this extension. Delete of for Firefox also there. Then web developer, Bizbug, pesticide, and all those things. Again, I guess most of the Chrome extensions have also Firefox extensions, so you can similarly use these things. ColorZilla, StyleBot, ColorPicker, eyedropper, React developer tool. Similarly, okay. And for AI graphic design tools, you can use these things. Leonardo.ai, it's a like very great tool. You can design, create very good designs using AI. And other some tools they have listed like image extractor, web dev trick, the web toolbox, CSS tricks, commit zen, A11 getter, clear CSS, my device IO, CodePen is famous. Okay, then shortcode date, replay code, all that, grid.js, over API, page clip, sheets, and all those things they have listed. You can read out what they thing do in the description and you can try these things. So that's all of this video, and I hope I have just covered the whole repo. And you can try the resources they have listed. Just click on the link, and you will get to the website and try the resources they have listed. And whatever suits you, you can stick to that. and you can start the repo, okay, for your future use, and it will really help you. And if you want to contribute, you can also fork it and also contribute to this website, I mean the repository, if you found any other tool they have not listed. And yeah, that's all of the video. I hope I have just covered the whole repo, and it will really help you out. Okay, this repository will really help you out if you are a developer. So just restart it and follow me for more such content. I usually share this type of content in my YouTube channel. Um, so just subscribe the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.